Check it out, guys. We hit a new pond. Supposed to have some fish. What'd you get? Let me see. Oh. Nice, Aaron. There is fish in here. Good one. Oh, I got one, Aaron. Oh.
What is that?
A sunfish. Catch. Hell yeah, guys. There's fish in here. Hell yeah. We'll take it. Oh, get another one. Hell yeah, 1-1 with Aaron. Me and Aaron are tied. Got him. Got another one. Oh, this is a bigger one. Oh, this one's a fatty. Check out those colors, guys. Oh, number 2, baby. Oh, get another one. Oh, buddy. There we go.
What kind of fish? I got
Nice, Isaac.
Yeah.
Nice colors, too. Oh yeah. On the dough bait, guys. Oh, the first fish on the dough bait. Hell yeah. Got him. Check it out, guys. Night number 5. Got another one, guys. Got another one. Back to back cast. Got another one. Back to back. Number. Oh, got another one. On the corn, guys. Oh, this one's pretty big on the corn. Oh yeah. Number 7. Looks like I got another one. A little one? Oh, I do have one. Little baby one. Number 7. Number 8, baby. On the corn, a bunch of little ones. Let's see if they bite on this. Got one. On the mice tail. Oh, on the mice tail. On the plastic.
Wait, what kind of...
Oh yeah, number 10. On the mice tail. Another one. On the mice. Another one. On the mice tail. Hell yeah, they're biting on the mice tail. Alright guys, that's it. We got around 15 sunfish right here in Agoura Hills at this park right here. Oh, getting more bites, but that's it, guys. You guys want to come check it out? There's a couple sunfish out here, guys. It was pretty cool. Catch you guys next time.